Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is some craft glue and our embellishments. So the layout I want on my book when it's finished is more or less like this. And so I'm just going to copy that design onto my little piece of cardboard that we're going to mount on our book at the end. So to get started, I'm going to stick my little flag pieces little bunting, and you don't need heaps of glue because you want it to dry relatively quickly. Oops. Okay. I also found these really cool little alphabet stickers, and they work really well. They give a lovely look. So before I stick them on, I'm going to put some texture tape on the bottom of them. So I'm going to find the beginning of my, well, it might actually be easier to find it on a different roll. There we go. And so I'm going to stick this on. Just cut away the excess. And then we'll just apply our little alphabet stickers on top of that. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly stick on all the other bits and pieces, and then we'll get back and I'll show you how to do the foil tape bit.